Now, Kenny, let me ask you a question. When you want to go further in comfort with cold air technology, Baja design lights, hammerhead bumper, and your Winnebago Revel, who are you going to call? You're right, Kenny. You're going to give Nomadic Cooling a call.
We are Wandering Wheels RV. Been full-time now for about 1.5 years. We started out in a fifth wheel and then moved to a Class C, then to a B+, and then into a van. We've been in this Revel now for 7 months. We just broke over 20,000 miles. This one little leg of this trip here, which is only 11 days, we're going to be doing 3,800 miles, going through 6 states, see everything from San Diego to Bryce Canyon to northern Idaho, maybe even the Mogi Dugway, going into Utah and Colorado. I heard about Jonathan when I was searching out 12-volt air conditioners. I was at the Adventure Van show. We were talking with someone came up with a Penguin air conditioner, some weird name like that. And so I started looking up air conditioners and 12-volt air conditioners, and I stumbled across Nomadic Cooling.
We're taking out this old AC unit up top. Looks like a porta potty sitting on the van, and we will be replacing it with a Dometic RTX 2000 and installing a third Lithionics 100 amp hour lithium battery.
No more inverter, which is, I mean, not that I don't like the inverter, I use the inverter, but just an efficient system, 12 volts, right? All right, so we're gonna get a lot more time, a lot more consistent usage of the air conditioner. We don't really run our AC in super hot conditions. I would say we're hardly ever over 100 degrees. So I would say running it normally at 85, 90, we're expecting, you know, to get a good 6-7 hours of runtime, you know, on a low eco mode or something, which would be all we need and consistently. And we have a great charging system in the unit, so batteries are going to recharge. We're adding another battery, so we're even going to have more power. So efficiency, dependability, a low profile, less obtrusive unit, just a more streamlined look. Dometic's a good brand too, so I've had good luck with Dometic, so I'm thinking that we're probably on the right path.
We're just finishing up this 2021 Winnebago Revel, 30 batteries, Dometic RTX 2000 DC AC.
And we're also doing a bumper.
With a Warren winch and Baja design lights, because sometimes you want to go further while looking more stylish.
As you can see around the edges here, the only thing we haven't done is gone ahead and made a trim piece. This is something that is going to be customized by you. Dometic does send a trim piece with it, but it's a little bit big.
Now, I don't want to thank anybody. I want to let everybody know I did all the work here on this van all myself. You can see I'm dirty. You can see I've got my Carhartts on. That means business. That means work was done here today, okay, and I did it all.
But everything is good to go here, and if you have any questions about the Dometic RTX 2000, give Dometic Cooling a call.
When you want to go further in comfort with cold air technology, Baja design lights, hammerhead bumper, and your Winnebago Revel, give Nomadic Cooling a call. So give us a call today, 1-800-GO-FURTHER. Write that down. That's my iced tea. It's my drink that keeps me going. Is it dripping down my face, Kenny? That's cool. People like that. It's nothing to see here. All right, what else you need, Kenny? Pretty good?